What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam app configuration. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam or you can type in store.steampower.com. After typing, you will be redirected to this page of Steam wherein on the right side at the top you will see the option of login. Click on that login and if you already have a Steam account, you will be automatically signed in to the account. But if you don't have an account, you need to create your account by entering your email, your password, and other credentials to create your new Steam account. Now, after login or signing in, you will see this option to install Steam. So install the Steam application. So after installing the Steam application on the left side, you can see the Steam icon. Click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings on the left side, you can see the storage option. Click on the storage option and then here you will see if you have some cache which has been stored, you will see it here or you will see it here in the download section. When you scroll a bit down, you will see clear download cache. Click on this clear cache option and then click on confirm. Then the Steam will shut down and then it will reopen, or you need to manually reopen Steam. And when you reopen it, all your cache will be cleared from Steam. So then you can set up your app configuration. But if you are facing some errors on your Steam application, then you need to go to your file explorer of your Windows and from here click on this PC and then your storage. And after coming to the storage, click on the Windows folder and under the Windows folder, click on x86 Windows files. If you have kept your program files outside, then you will find it after coming to the File Explorer, this PC and your storage. And here you can see the program files. Click on this program files and then find the Steam folder. And after clicking on Steam folder, you will see the cache file of Steam. After searching here, you can see here is the cached VDF file. So you just need to delete this VDF file. You can search this file via this VDF extension or you can type cache. So this VDF file will be appeared. Click on it once and then delete it. And after that, when you reopen Steam, it will create a new cached VDF file and then you will be successfully able to set up your application configuration. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.